Well guys, that's us back in the recovery wild camp kitchen, and today it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Hopefully we're into the last few weeks of total lockdown and we should be able to get out there soon. So today we're just going to do a wee bit of cooking, nothing sort of grand. I'm not doing much from scratch because I've had to prep it all initially. So if you come over and we'll have a wee look here. So here we've got chicken thighs. They've been marinating since 10 o'clock this morning in some Reggae sauce. And here we have my own homemade Kofte kebabs. Pork mince. There's very finely chopped pepper, finely chopped onion, and herbs, chilies, some herbs that we picked up in Turkey last year as well. So yeah, I'm going to do these on the TF grill here because I didn't want them falling through the grill and the fire. So yeah, so we'll bring you back once we start cooking, guys. So go. So we'll get these chicken thighs on the go. See, they've been marinating since 10 o'clock this morning. And there's going to be far too much for just Michelle and I to eat, so...
The cats will get some then.
Aye, watch them. So guys, I'm not going to take you through the entire process because these will take ages to cook. Just for a matter of constantly turning them. So I'm not going to tell a lie, guys. Probably just going to colour these up on here and then I'm going to finish them in the oven. Now I know we wouldn't have that luxury when we're out in the wild, but be very wary about cooking raw chicken straight on the campfire. So the plan would be to colour this up. I've got some peat in the fire so that you're going to get that peaty flavour through as well, that smoky peaty flavour through the chicken. And the plan would be to get these coloured up nice and then we shall finish them off in the oven indoors. So let's have a wee look and see how we're doing. Oh, we're starting to colour already.
Well, there's no half.
So let's take you for a wee walk, guys. I want to show you some. All the way, camera lady. So into the sun. So this is my home for tonight. I decided that over the last 5-6 weeks I've had 3-4 different tents on the grass, so I'm giving the grass a wee break this weekend. And I've got out the Amok. When I say Amok, I mean Amok. So it's the Amok Draumr 3.0. Come in for a look. There we go. So we come across this as part of a donation to the wild camping group that I run from Mayfield Road, from my work. And it's solid. Now it's quite unique the way the hammock sits. So you've got your ridge line up here that comes right across the hammock. And then you've got the webbing attached to the trees. Come back round. So, the best I could do with the trees that I've got. I don't have many trees here. So the idea is, if you come round the back, check this out. I've been preparing this site for my new shed that's going up, which is currently underneath. If we spin round, it's currently underneath all that tarpaulin there. Who goes and buys a new shed in the first week of lockdown, eh, when there's nobody there to build it? So, the way this hammock works is you put a mat, self-inflating mat inside, and that forms the structure of it. So if you come round here and we can see the mat goes in this zipped part here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, I don't want to. So there's my wee aventuring self-inflating mat in there. Try and see it. I was wondering what the problem was. I've got you locked on Zoom there. So yep, so the self-inflating mat is in here, and it's secured obviously to both trees. And they've got their own carabiners. And it's quite a sturdy sort of webbing that they've got. I tried this out this morning, and I had it attached one side to a tree, the other side to the fence here, and I jumped in it, and it just about took the fence down. Michelle was watching me through the living room window, and she was absolutely killing herself laughing. So let's head back down to the Campfire kitchen and see how we're cooking. Come in and have a wee look at this. Obviously chicken, got to be very, very careful with chicken when you're cooking it outside. And with pieces this big, I would rather finish off in the oven, which is what I shall do. And what we'll do is we'll get the kebabs on the go next, and the TF grill, and then we shall bring you back after everything's all ready and put it all together. Right, so we'll bring you back in a minute. So guys, that's us ready to get the koftas on the go. Have a look. So as I've said, garlic, pepper, red onion, there's some Turkish herbs in there, there's tomato and loads of other stuff. So let's fire a couple of these in the TF grill. It's only going to take the fork. these for later. And we'll shut this down and we'll bring you back.
Go.
Well folks, that's us. Nearly done. You want to come in and have a wee look? These are Kofte kebabs. Homemade Kofte kebabs. It's actually currently, it's ironically, we should be on a plane returning from Turkey right now. Oh no, in fact, no, we'll still be there. We don't leave until 10 o'clock tonight. So how fitting to have some Turkish Kofte kebab. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
So, get ready to munch. And I'll fire them up here and give you a wee look at what I've got. So, this is Recovery Wild Camper. Homemade Kofte kebabs. Pork mince, onion, garlic, pepper, red onion, Turkish spices. Tasty, innit? We have a Reggae chicken, which I finished off in the oven because I'm a bit wary of chicken on a campfire. So we have some Mexican chili infused rice with flour for the garden. And we have, if you turn around, a mixed salad which has a dressing of pomegranate and lime.
And it's lush.
Not made by myself. We have a little extra Reggae, and we have a little extra pomegranate and lime dressing, and we have some more Sheppy's cider. So we're going to get everything plated up and we'll bring you back when it's munchy time. Well guys, oh, cutlery. There we go, Missy.
Thank you.
So, thanks for joining us guys. Now for the taste test. That kebab's awesome. Spicy. This is Gayless. You've probably seen her before in other videos. She's a three-legged moggy.
That's too spicy for you.
She was hit by a car about 6 months ago. Hey, we went through a terrible time with you later.
And she never complained once.
Don't think so.
Hey darling, you've been so good all the way through it, so you were.
I'll try the chicken. Give me. Bolt. Oh, it's just falling off the bone. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
That was not fair. That wasn't nice. You need to give a bit tip for that now.
guys, we're going to enjoy the rest of dinner in the last of the sun. Hopefully the next time I see you will be out somewhere in the middle of nowhere. So in the meantime, if you've enjoyed this wee video, hit the like button, please. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. And hit the notifications as well. From Gayless and I, bid you a fond farewell. Ooh, say bye bye, Gayless. Bye.